Electrical safety. Physiological safety. Working with electrical equipment poses certain physiological safety hazards. When electricity is applied to the human body, it can create severe burns in the area of entrance and at the point of exit from the body. In addition, the nervous system is affected and can be damaged or destroyed. To safely deal with electricity, the technician must have a working knowledge of the principles of electricity and a healthy respect for its capability to do both work and damage. Wearing or use of proper safety equipment can provide a psychological assurance and physically protect the user at the same time. The use of rubber gloves, safety glasses, rubber or grounded safety mats contributes to the overall safety of the technician working on or with electrical equipment. Two factors that affect safety when dealing with electricity are fear and overconfidence. These two factors are major causes of accidents involving electricity. While a certain amount of respect for electrical equipment is healthy and a certain level of confidence is necessary, extremes of either can be deadly. Lack of respect is often due to lack of knowledge. Personnel who attempt to work with electrical equipment and have no knowledge of the principles of electricity lack the skills to deal with electrical equipment safely. Overconfidence leads to risk-taking. The technician who does not respect the capabilities of electricity will, sooner or later, become a victim of electricity's power.